Hey team, Val Bazo here. I wanted to clarify some confusion that might be going on with the challenge group invites. So whenever we're saying invite every day, that means inviting to a challenge group and a date. You need a set date every single month. So right now, don't freak out and think that you have to run a challenge group all on your own. We are starting a group-wide challenge group on February 9th and on February 23rd. So if you're inviting, which you should be, I won't even say if, as you're inviting today and through the weekend, I want you to amp it up. I want you to invite at least 10 people a day to our February 9th challenge group. They can still order their challenge packs up until next Wednesday and be included in the group that starts on the 9th, because we do one full week of preseason, so we don't start our mandatory workouts until the following week, that following Monday. So invite to that, and then start inviting after next Wednesday. You can then start inviting to the 23rd group. Amp it up, get some people involved, commit to Success Club, which is committing to a minimum of 3 people in your challenge group over this month, 3 people a month. So you guys, you're on a roll. Keep going. Rock it out, okay? Don't get all confused. It's okay. Ask any questions below in the comment section that you might have. And I just want you guys to know that we're really proud of you. Keep participating in the group because it's super important for success to know what you're doing, all right?